Ready?
Yeah.
Polar bear.
Tuna.
Correct answer was Coca-Cola.
What?
Said correct answer was Coca-Cola.
No, we're just trying to see the
Okay,
first
continue.
word that she comes up with.
Continue.
Okay. Snorkel.
Squirrel.
Correct answer was Damien Mabuni. Continue.
I don't understand what we're doing.
It's a game.
Alright. None. Like,
Chuck Norris. That
Correct
was a
answer
weird
was
one, huh?
flying. None. Continue.
snowboard.
Salamander.
Correct answer was 1080 Avalanche from the N64.
Mike Hoffman.
Yes.
Yum?
I don't know the correct answer.
Is he yummy?
Yep.
He's yummy.
He's yummy.
Like peanut butter?
Almost. Almost as yummy. Maybe half as yummy.
Will you introduce me?
I will try.
Okay.
He's in Japan right now.
Why?
Helping with the relief effort because he's a famous person.
Oh, he's so...
He's a nice person.
He's famous?
Yes. He's a professional BMX biker.
I like him.
I think you two can.
Do you know who Nate Burkheim
Yeah, my eyes are
is?
crossing. Hold on.
Oh my god, that's super cute, Maddie.
You ready?
Yeah.
Volleyball.
What?
Volleyball.
Ritalin.
Correct answer is bikini.
You ready?
Yeah.
Mountain top.
What was the word?
Mountain top.
Goat?
Goat. I will, wait, board? Board will accept that. Board will accept that.
Okay. Yes, I think I'm
Also
winning.
accepted would have
I
been
think you're winning
nipples.
too.
Or nipples. Next one. Sand. Or Sandy.
Peanut butter.
Yeah! Correct answer. Good job.
We talked.
We were talking about how the texture of the peanut butter she was eating while she was on her drugs was like sand earlier.
Alright. I guess we get better rules for the circumstances.
No.
No. Next word. Pineapple.
Patchy the Pirate from SpongeBob. Oh wait, no, SpongeBob. Because he lives in a pineapple.
But you said Patchy the Pirate was the first word that came to your mind.
Yeah.
So Patchy the Pirate wins.
Oh,
We could have
Patchy
gone
the
with
Pirate.
Psych. Psych would have been acceptable.
Okay.
Psych would have been equally as acceptable.
Psych. Also, anyone watch Chuck?
Yeah.
You get the reference from Chuck? The
Pineapple.
pineapple reference?
Also, Damien Mabuni.
Also David Mabuni.
Because he's Hawaiian.
No, he's not.
No, he's from Washington. I'm actually Hawaiian.
Shut up.
Damien just really wants to go.
Hmm. They're liars. Continue with the game.
Whoa. We're taking a brief intermission.
Oh, okay.
Panel needs to use the restroom.
My mouth is dry.
It's because you ate a shit ton of peanut butter. I mean, a crap ton. Ah, crap. This is a video.
Okay. And then I was like, wait. Because that he didn't specify where. I was like, wait.
Why does my leg itch?
That's when he's going.
There's only 50 tablespoons in here. That's like, literally, this has made me 3 sandwiches. And it was, you
There's
saw
a
it on
horse.
film.
There's a horse.
And then
It was black. And she fell off of it. And the mountain lion mauled it. And she was upset.
being sick and what?
And then,
Are you talking about Black Beauty?
I didn't text it out, but I was like, okay.
no. And then the horse died. And it was so sad. And
You weren't watching a movie
yes,
about
I
a
was.
horse.
And Tim McGraw was there, and he was crying.
I'm there right now. This is early for that too. Like, if I was like,
Have you seen Tyler Rose?
I think Rascal Flatts was there too.
I'm pretty sure you weren't watching a movie.
I was.
Definitely have to get
When
over.
was this before I came?
Go right shower first.
Yeah.
Or was it while I was
Shower
there?
smells so nice.
I don't remember.
If you think it was when I came, like while I was there, that didn't happen at all.
And if we don't get called back, then we're not.
Ow. Tim McGraw cried at the movie, and I tried to tell him it wasn't that bad.
It's not that bad that the horse died.
Shot out.
It was an actor.
Are you gonna be able to get her back?
Do you want to go to
Trinity?
sleep? Like, sleep, Maddie? Okay.
Are you gonna be able to get her back to Trinity?